I ain't back with another video. Tae2lit, let's get it, shine, yeah. Yeah, ready for them? Here you go. Teeth shining clean, like my diamond ring. Man, I be so lit, yeah, I can't help myself, yeah. The litters in the mall, the litters in the club, the litters in the school. Bet I be lit like a Tae2lit intro. Teeth shining clean, like my diamond ring. Man, I be so lit, yeah.
He's a mixed puppy born February 5th, 2022. Huxley and Beagle mix. How I ended up getting Ace, my best friend had a puppy named Milo. And I would come home from work and play with him. And I would think back to Storm and Scotty, two dogs I grew up with. I was hurting when I lost Storm because I seen what happened to her when she passed away, and I felt like I could do something. I just didn't do anything about it. So I wanted a dog for myself, and that's what I did. I went looking for one without a car to drive and only $200 in my pocket. I chose to get this blue-eye mixed puppy no one else seemed to want. I remember bringing him home for the first time and walking down to the gas station by my house to meet the people that sold him. Well, not necessarily sold him, but gave me him. Didn't have to walk back because they gave me a ride back home. Ace and Milo were like brothers. They would fight every day, all the time. At night, Ace would cry, and sometimes I would sleep by his case. He would know that I was there. I love Ace. I love Ace. People often would see me sometimes because if you see him, you would know what I was going through. How do I feel about Ace? I'd do anything to have Ace with me again. I can't close my eyes without seeing his face. I can't play my favorite game without saying his name. To all the times he would make me mad, I still love him the same. I can't believe you're not here with me anymore. Baby Ace is what I would know him by, but he was more than that. What I remember most about Ace? Ace, he loved me. Ace would always want to be next to me. My best friend would often say I love him more than her. When Ace got in the bath, Ace would get in the shower. Believe it or not, me and Ace walked from our apartments that we stayed in all the way to the dog park behind Walmart. We would go on walks to the parking lot up the road. He would love to be in my lap. He loved me so much. He would sit by me. He would sit by the door when he had to go outside. He would always be the most important thing I ever owned. Dear Ace, I'm sorry that you had to leave so soon. I don't know what I would do now that you're gone. You have really helped me so much. I wish you were still here with me. I'll remember you like you puppy. I remember when you were a puppy, you would run under the bed until you broke it. You and Milo were close. I remember when you do anything to be with me. Now that you're gone, I feel gone. Sorry, Ace. Ace, a mixed puppy born February 5th, 2022. Huxley and Beagle mix. How I end up getting Ace.
baby, don't worry about it. All time it coming, securing the bag is the mission, the shit that we talked about. It's worth the wait, but I'm getting impatient. I get in my back, steady stepping out. I want the money, ain't trying to be greedy, but I had a change in my appetite. You gotta be patient, I'm on a mission. I told my little baby, don't worry about it. All time it coming, securing the bag is the mission, the shit that we talked about.